This is Guinness's Bullymake box for 40-pound dogs that Bullymake sends us very generously. And this is his October box. There's a card here for a monthly giveaway if anyone's interested. For a year of free boxes. Not bad. Alright, let's see what's in here. So Bullymake is like designed for super tough chewers, so it's all like really durable dogs. It's Halloween themed, makes sense. So this is like one of those rubber pumpkin things. You can like stuff treats or a bully stick in that end. It's like a good treat toy. So Bullymake, they usually do one of these, a nylon toy, and then 3 bags of treats, or 3 types of treats. So Guinness is too busy trying to get into the treats right now. He's like, is there a treat in here? So he doesn't really play with these unless there is a treat in them, or like, you know, some sort of interactive thing. But they're good to have for that purpose, to like stuff things in. Yeah, this is the nylon chew, which, wow, it's like crossbones. Right, Guinness? Did I screw that up again? I can never open these things. Wait, does this have a... I think I screwed this up. I can't open it. And he really wants in too. Oh, I got it. Okay. Yeah, so this is crossbone shaped. Does it smell like anything? Leave it. Oh, it does smell like something.
Pumpkin?
Maybe? It smells like just a tiny bit sweet. It doesn't say on here.
Maybe it's like cinnamon and pumpkin.
I don't know. It doesn't actually say that it's supposed to smell like anything. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just imagining it. But they do. So the description says that like the little slots on each side are like the little cross here. If you can see that.
Mm-hmm.
It's made so you can like spread peanut butter in there.
Oh, that's smart. Okay.
Yeah, which is actually really smart. He actually really loves chewing on these nylon things regardless.
Yeah, even without the peanut butter.
Yeah, so those are always nice to have. I mean, we have a ton of them now, but you know, they start to develop sharp edges after a while. So it's always good to get new ones. The first bag of treats in here are the Bullymake Tricky Treats. Ingredients are turkey, pumpkin, potato starch, vegetable oil, cane molasses, guar gum, rosemary extract, mixed tocopherols, and salt. Okay, that's a pretty good list. Not bad. Hi. You want a treat? Yeah, you do. What have we not done? Oh, these are like these bone-shaped things, which I recall them being. They're fairly breakable. Yeah, they're kind of like a dried jerky type texture, right? Yes. He wants them so bad. I love how big his eyes get.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me wait until he finishes chewing. Good boy. Oh, he fell over. He was trying to do beg facing forward and he fell over. Sit. Beg. Oh, he can't do it that way. Here, do it this way, Guinness. I know. You need something to lean on.
Usually they have the core strength.
Yes. Good boy. Let me do it facing the other way. Okay. Let me do it facing this way so you can see his face because it's really cute. Beg. You're so cute. Okay. Good boy. He's like, what, you don't have any more? I'll give you another piece because you were so cute doing that. I think that is one of his cuter tricks. Alright. And then the next bag of treats in here are these Bullymake Bat Bites. Ingredients are turkey liver, vegetable glycerin, pea starch, potato starch, tapioca starch, potassium sorbate, whey, meat protein, isolate, gelatin, lactic acid, canola lecithin, potassium sorbate, mixed tocopherols, and phosphoric acid. It's a little bit longer than the last bag. Serves you right, Guinness. He's like, I don't care, I did not learn my lesson. Yeah, serves you right, baby. Let's see. Oh, these are like these like dense treats. These are sort of breakable, but not. They're breakable right now. They're not bad actually. Let's see. Down. Good Come here. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Guinness. He's scared. Down. Roll over. You can do it. What is this? Roll over. Guinness.
He's refusing to do it.
I know. He really doesn't want to do it. Down. You're not in the right position for it. Down. He snorted. Roll over. Oh, Guinness. All right, let's do something else. Let's do something else. Why are you so scared right now? Like, yeah, that one you're okay with. There are some days that he just really doesn't like rolling over. Like, he really doesn't like not knowing where he's gonna end up. All right, last thing in this box. Ghost Bites. Oh, I guess these are similar to the Bat Bites, but in a different flavor. So, first ingredient in here. You're really loud, Dennis.
Guinness, stop it.
Okie dokie. Torn. That's the third toy in the box, is the paper and the cardboard. Ingredients in here are pea starch, vegetable glycerin, yellow pea powder, tapioca starch, dried whey, canola oil, honey, lactic acid, turmeric powder, anise seed powder, phosphoric acid, mixed tocopherols, and potassium sorbate.
Jeez.
Which is interesting because there's actually no meat in here.
That's a very exotic anise seeds and turmeric. This is like,
Yeah.
Huh.
I mean, turmeric is something that a lot of people give their dogs, but
good for humans.
odd.
And I guess it's good for dogs.
It's odd that there's no protein in here and that the first ingredient is pea starch.
Hmm.
Yeah. It's usually a little bit more of a filler ingredient.
See if he likes it.
Our very discriminating dog.
There's certainly things he doesn't like.
Oh, I guess they are just like pea colored.
No.
Like pea, the peas, like the vegetable.
It's
But they're also other pea colored.
good that you clarified.
They are, aren't they?
Not a normal pea.
I suppose it is very bright. They're ghost shaped. That's what
See, it's kind of greenish.
Like really dense. I don't know. Anyways, very breakable, I guess, which is what you would expect of pea starch, but not crumbly, which is actually good. Down. Roll over. Yes! You did it! You do know how to do that. He's like, I hate you right now. Why would you make me do that? Right? They smell like anise. Like star anise.
Interesting.
With a little hint of star anise. Which, it's interesting that he's actually enjoying those, because I'm not sure humans really love the taste of star anise on its own.
Probably not its own, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Well,
Yeah.
little Vietnamese dog.
Yeah, they're pretty anisey. Alright, so that's Bullymake for October 2018 for 40-pound dogs. Not bad. I'm still confused by that last bag of treats, but you know, it's a good box, and these are always good to have, and these you can always find a use for. So that's it for now. All right, Guinness, here, you can have your chew toy back.
Bye, Guinness.
Bye.
He's busy.